everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As we can see on the screen, hotel location, there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, Wi-Fi, amenities, facilities, and the hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Three categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. The details are available online for this hotel from various if you are planning to book it, in the description. For booking or more details, check description of the video. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, you have to subscribe to our channel yet. If you subscribe our channel,